Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find insider wallets on Axiom. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to axiom.trade and make sure to sign in. If you don't have an account with Axiom, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can sign up using my link and also save 10% on fees, on trading fees. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click onto the link. In saying that, from here, we need to go and click on the pulse button. So this is designed for real-time market analysis and tracking new tokens. And now we need to configure filters for new tokens. So we want to filter some migrated. So click on the filter button like so, and then a little pop-up will appear that says filters. Then from here, click onto metrics. And now where it says market cap, set that to 1 million. And then once you've done that, you want to click apply all. And now this has filtered out all the different tokens here. So there's only currently 2 tokens. So now just click into any random coin here. So for this one here, I'm going to do this one here, a Buckazoids. And now at the bottom of the page here, it's got trades, position, orders, holders. Go ahead and click on orders. All right, then from here, you can click on any one of these to see how they're going. So I'm going to click onto this random wallet. And as you can see, he's doing quite well. Now from here, we want to go ahead and copy this address like so. Then from here, we want to head over to SoulScan. So click on that little button here that says open in SoulScan. So now these insiders usually have multiple wallets for the main reason they don't like being tracked and copy traded. Now, once we're here, we can go, we've got these tabs here, transactions, transfers, etc. Click on the transfers. Now you'll be able to see their other wallets inside their transfers where they're transferring it to. Then you can open up the new wallet and see what they're doing. So now this is how I find insider wallets.